Let's start by importing the essential components from the React Router DOM package, including Browser Router, which we are aliasing as router, root, and switch, to set up our routing environment. Additionally, we will import useEffect from React to hook into our component's lifecycle for logging purposes. Here we define a simple analytics service class with a static log page view method. This method simply logs the URL to the console, which is a placeholder action. In a production environment, you would replace this console log with an actual call to your analytics provider, like Google Analytics or Mixpanel. Within the app component, we use the useEffect hook to log the initial page load. This hook runs once, right after the component mounts, because we passed an empty dependency array. As a result, it logs the current window location's path name. Within our router component, we set up a special route using the render prop. Here, instead of rendering a component, we call our log page view method with the current location's path name each time the route changes. This enables us to track every navigation event within our app. After logging, we return null since this route isn't responsible for rendering any actual UI. Beneath our logging route, we use a switch component to define the actual routes our application uses. For instance, we have routes for the homepage and about page, each associated with its own component. You would continue to list other routes here in a similar manner. The switch component is crucial because it ensures that only the first route that matches the current location's path name is rendered. This concludes our router setup, neatly wrapped up with the closing tags for switch and router. Finally, this is our app function where everything comes together. Inside, we have our useEffect hook for the initial page load and our router configuration for handling all route changes. With this setup, we've successfully created a system that logs all route transitions within our application for analytic purposes.